Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Old English. Today is day 55 of my English speaking challenge, and today I'm going to share with you about fruits. So, fruit is very helpful for our health conditions, and my favorite fruit is mango. I eat mango in summer times. I There are too many types of fruits, and the benefits of that fruit is depend on the which type of fruit you are taking. Like in our Indian region, there are too many types of fruit are present, like banana, mango, lychee, guava, pineapple, carrot. All these fruits have their own features and own benefits. I eat sometimes banana for my better health, and I love to eat mango most of the time in summer. And today I eat two mango. Sorry. And um, that mango is not too much tasty. Like it's good but tasteless. Uh, Maybe because of the mango season is not coming yet perfectly, or that's why, or maybe the reason of rain. That's why I did not feel the mango is at that much quality. But still, I take a mango, and right now I have a one apple and one pomegranate in my room for eating me. And apple is a very best for health, and I think sorry, and I think you have already heard about that one apple every day doctor keeps away. So uh, after recording my video, I am going to take uh, apple and eat that. Right now I am suffering from fever, cold, and headache. That's why I am feeling low, and sorry for disturbance in between the uh, practice. And see you guys in next video. From last 2 days, I did not remember any type of word because of my fever. I am not able to concentrate anything, but I can't leave my English practice challenge. If I leave the challenge in between, maybe I can say after that it's too late. I already gave up three to four times, so I have to leave. But I don't want to that type of situation. That's why I am practicing my English and recording myself so that I can feel my consistency and struggle, how how much time it will take, and how how the real struggle is going with the journey, so that I will continue my journey. And thank you for today, and see you guys in next video.